and welcome back to Study With Additti. My name is Additti and this channel is dedicated to revision tips and tricks along with much more to help make your schooling life a whole lot easier. Today's video is going to be on how to organise yourself. As usual, I have a few notes with me. By the way, the reason that I've been so absent on this channel for quite a bit now is just because of academics and year 13. Year 13 has been taking a toll on me in terms of YouTube. I just haven't been able to do quite as much as I would like to, but I am trying to fix that. I think I've gotten used to the routine, and it is more work than year 12, and I've come to realise that. So it's just been a bit hectic, but hopefully I will try and have some free time to film, edit and upload. So hopefully videos will be coming out. But anyway, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first tip is the basis for all the tips that I'm about to give you, and that is to not rely on your memory to remember things. And that brings me on to my second tip, which is use a planner. Planners are great literally because it literally keeps all your deadlines in one place, no matter how big they are, no matter how small they are. You can also add your social events, your events outside of school, deadlines outside of school, I don't know, for example, music exams, drama exams, anything. And that means you can really make it yours, which is quite nice. Yeah, so the one I have currently, because my school doesn't give me planners anymore, which is annoying, is this black one. And it's just really plain on the inside, but it's very, very functional. You literally just write in whatever it is that is due, put the date, and then you can tick it off when it's due, when it's done even. Talking about planners, you also have wall planners. I have a wall planner, and I've had a wall planner since year 11, I think. And I got the idea of having a wall planner from Eve Bennett, I think it was. And when I tried it in year 11, wow, my mind was blown. It was revolutionary. Literally though, I was able to put all my exams on there and different events, which, as I said earlier, you could put in your academic planner, your notebook sort of planner. But personally, I like putting them into my wall planner because that way I can see across the entire year when this event is, when that event is. So yeah, I just quite like that. And I think having both of them, the academic planner and the wall planner, is quite good because it makes sure that you can see stuff on a micro level and then also on a macro level. For example, putting exams into the notebook planner. Yes, you can see them, but only if you flick through loads of pages, whereas on a wall planner you can see it immediately. I'm looking over there literally because my wall planner is over there. I also get an academic one for that as well, which is actually quite hard to find. Well, cheap ones are hard to find. I will leave a link to the notebook planner I have and the wall planner I have down in the description box below. And I also color code mine because again, that makes it really easy to see what type of event it is. For example, for exams and big deadlines, I have red, just because red is a standy outy color. Whereas for social and personal events, I have pink, just because I think it was the only colour I had. Occasions, I think it's blue. And then black is holidays. However, having said to use both the wall calendar and the notebook planner, it's kind of dangerous to use a digital calendar as well, just because you end up putting the same information across all of them, and that just makes you less organised because firstly, you're wasting time on putting it on all of them, and secondly, you don't know which one to look at, so you end up looking at all of them, again wasting your time. So I really would not recommend using more than one type. So yes, use the wall calendar and the notebook planner, but don't use the wall calendar, the notebook planner and a digital calendar. If you just want to go digital, that's fine, but don't do more. So now we've talked about homework deadlines and events and stuff, I want to talk about planning just these little tasks that you have to do. So for example, admin or something, admin tasks, sending an email, or just long-term tasks that don't necessarily have a due date, but you do have to do them. So for this, I use a master to-do list, And this idea actually came from Ruby Granger, and I thought it was a really good idea, so I implemented it into my own life as well. I found this really nice template online, and I kind of rearranged it slightly just to fit my life a bit more. On there you put tasks that, as I said before, don't necessarily have a due date but do need to get done. So that's a really nice way of organising those kind of tasks, because they don't necessarily fit into a planner, because a notebook planner, because you have to write the due date in. If there is no due date, it just doesn't fit. But on my to-do list, I do have a space for a due date if it does apply, but I usually use my planner for academic purposes, whereas the master to-do list isn't academic. So yeah, so that's basically my 3-tier organisation system. So we've got the planner, we've got the wall calendar, and we've got this master to-do list. It just ensures that I stay on top of everything, and that everything that needs to be remembered in terms of things to do does get remembered and it does get done. So that's what I do. Let everyone know in the comments below what you do as well, because it'd be really nice to share organisation tips within this community. And also, if you're not an organised person already, literally don't worry, you can build up these habits one by one, and as soon as you're comfortable with a habit, try and add another one. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked the video, smash the like button, and also if you have any requests for any video that you want me to do, put them in the comments and I will see if I can make a video on them. But yeah, thank you for watching this video, and goodbye!